stressful day. We have to go get my kids up. Wake up! It's time for school.
Mom, do I really have to
Yes,
go?
you do have to go to school.
Fine.
Blair, get ready for school. Blair! Fine. Now we get ready for school. My sunshine, get ready for school. Okay, mommy. Let's go. Let's go downstairs. Wake up, Carl. Oh, and Bay. It's time to get ready for work.
Oh my gosh. Work. I'm finna quit at this point.
Don't quit your job now.
I'm sure y'all school have breakfast, so y'all should eat at school. So go catch the bus. Okay, Mom. See you later. Get your keys. We are. Okay, now y'all two need to go upstairs and go get on the call. Mom, I'm already on the call. Okay. Did y'all test start yet? Nope. It's getting ready to though. Oh Lord. Aria, hurry up. Okay. Okay, Mom, I'm on my way to the freaking thingy. Okay. We're gonna walk you to your room. Mom, how do you get on the school thing? I'll help you, bro. There you go. Now, all I have to do is get ready for work and let's go. Those kids brush their teeth. Nope. Oh my gosh. How did I forget to make them brush their teeth? I have no clue. Whatever. Is the kid's babysitter on the way? I don't think I caught them yet. Okay, well, you need to call them. Okay, I'm gonna call them. Okay, teacher, here's my book. Any devices? My device is right here. Well, you need to put it up somewhere. Okay. Okay, I'm doing my test. Okay. The kid's babysitter should be here as soon as we walk out the door. Okay? Okay. Let's walk out the door. That must be her. Hi. Hi. I'm so ready to watch these kids. Okay. We'll be back as soon as we get off. Okay? Okay. Teacher, I'm done. You are? That fast? Yeah, like, this test was so easy. Okay, well, hit submit, and you should be good to go. You could end the call because that's all we're doing today. And yeah, you could end the call once you're done. Okay, I hit submit now. End the call. Yes, I'm so glad I'm finished with that test. That just had 40 questions and I got done in 10 minutes. Is that bad? Well, that test was really hard. I just rushed through it because I didn't want to do that test all the way. Just play on my iPad till the circuit's done. Is he done with his test already? If we barely started. Whatever. I'm almost done. I'm on number 20. Take y'all time because y'all test grades will be coming in right away and they will be shipped to your house today. Okay? Today I have to do really good on this test. And make sure y'all go over it. Oh, your brother definitely failing. Hey guys, welcome to class. This day it will be very fun. Well, not that fun because y'all will be doing work, but it's okay. It'll still be fun, I hope. So, I don't even know why I have ABCs on the wall. Y'all should know your ABCs, right? Of course we know our ABCs, teacher. Oh my god, he's so fun. He's fun. Whatever. Hush, girls. You heard us? Yes. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Yo, teach. Shut up. What did you just say? You heard me. Shut up. Go to the principal's office. Fine. I don't care. Why did you get sent to my office? Because I told the teacher to shut up. Why would you tell the teacher to shut up? Because she talked too much. Okay. You will be suspended for 1 day. For telling her to shut up? Yes. Now go home. Whatever. Kids these days. Anyways, he should be dealt with. Anyways, underline the top. Underline the top or highlight. Girl, do you have a highlighter? Oh yeah, I have 3. Here you are. Thank you. Sis, do you have a highlighter? Not for you. You're the fakest sister ever. Here, you can have mine. And you can have one too. Y'all need to come prepared. Teacher? Yes? When do we do the test? Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. Y'all know that test y'all did like 3 days ago? Yeah. That was our FSA test. What? Yeah. Oh, I passed. Yeah, me too. Oh, I know I passed. Yep, me too. But him next to me, he failed. He rushed through that test thinking it was a normal test. The whole time it was the FSA test. Well, yeah, y'all 4, y'all did very good. But him right there, he rushed that whole test. He got plus and minus books right there by his desk. He should know his adding and his addition, his adding and subtraction already. Yeah, you're right about that, teacher. It's okay, guys. Y'all may be dismissed early. Yes. Yes. Thank you, teacher. Here's your highlighter. You could have kept it. Oh, well, I gave it back to you already. Here, teach. Here's your highlighter. Thanks, buddy. Y'all may be dismissed. Yes, let's go. I'm leaving. Let's go to the principal's office. I dismissed them early. Why did you dismiss them early? Because they all passed the test. All 4 of them. Why keep them in school all day? Whatever. I don't know what they're talking about in there, but let's just hurry up and go because I'm ready to go. I mean, I don't even have to come back to school. We passed. She said we did good on the test, so y'all know what that means, right? We passed. Yeah. Let's just go. Like, I'm so ready to go. I wonder what our siblings made on that test. Yeah, I wonder what they made too. God, school was so fun. Yeah, let me get the keys to unlock the door. I left my phone on. Whatever. Alright, let's get in. Oh yeah, mom and dad is gone. The key is gone. Let's place the key right there. Let's go. Wait, first let's go check up on our siblings. Wait. We almost forgot. Put our backpacks in the bag. Okay. Now, let's go see what he's doing. Ooh, snack. I want a snack. Brother, why are you not doing your test? Because I'm done. That fast? Yeah, it was a 40 question test. What time did you get done? 9:45. What time did you start? Yeah, what time did you start? 9:35. You took 10 minutes to. You know what? You're flunked, bro. You flunked. No, I didn't. Yes, you did, bro. Okay, let's get a snack. We're hungry, right? I want a jammy. Okay, get one then. Love me some jammy. I want a choco bar. Choco bar, whatever they call it. Brother's gonna get in trouble. You really got an F on your test? You're gonna be back in the 2nd grade now. You know what? Give me all your devices. You're grounded. Now. Go get me a bag. Okay. Guess I'm gonna get this bag. Okay, here's your bag. Really, Dad? You're gonna give her a bag? Shut up. Give me this iPad. Give me this iPad. Oh my gosh, Mom, you're so annoying. What was said? Nothing, Mom. Whatever. Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Your sister have an A and you literally have an F. Mom, it was an accident. How did you do it, huh? Okay. You know, I don't even want to know. Get this stupid paper. Get out my face. Okay, I'm sorry, Mom. Jesus. Sorry isn't enough. You know what? Let me take your sister a candy bag upstairs. Full of every candy in here. That candy is good. You're so mad on this candy is so good. Bro, why are you eating our daughter candy? Anyways, you're not my daughter. Stop eating her candy. Whatever. Congratulations. Thank you, Mom. Here's your candy bag. Oh my gosh, thank you. What do you want for your award? I want a yes day. Okay, when do you want it? Thursday. Friday. Okay. Okay, well, congratulations. Okay, thank you. Good night, guys. Good night, Mom.